let's start off here, because I mean, straight away, this looks pretty impressive from the back. What's the story with this car? How did it start out?
Okay, so this customer originally bought the car brand new from the dealer we work with over here, and we did a little bit of an upgrade on it. Well, that wasn't enough. So he saw that we were a Hennessey dealer and manufacturer, so he asked us to do what we call a HPE, Hennessey Performance Package, 1,000 horsepower.
Okay.
So these come out at about 700 horsepower already.
Yep.
If you don't know, so they're really quick, SUV.
Yeah, out of the box.
Out of the box.
Yeah.
But that was enough. 700 wasn't enough, so we jumped it up to 1,000 horsepower. The first Australian Hennessey 1,000 horsepower build. Number one. He had a bit of fun with that. Still not enough.
So I can see something shiny up the front there. So like,
yes.
what's to go under the bonnet?
We've upgraded the supercharger twice, so that was not the standard one.
Okay.
We went to the Magnuson, which is a 2.3 litre. We've now jumped up to a 4 litre.
And yeah, there's a little bit of extra plumbing going in here in the manifold,
Yes.
and quite a bit by the looks. How much nitrous are we talking about?
We'll start with a 300 horsepower shot of nitrous there, but I think we'll end up at a 500 horsepower shot.
And I mean, looking at the tyres and stuff like that, I'm assuming that this thing's still running power to all 4 wheels and...
It is, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, all 4 wheels. We've done a lot of work on the transaxle and the transmission, the half shafts. Even down to the diff, we've replaced it. We've got a full 9-inch diff set up in there, which is pretty much the first in the world in that side on this vehicle.
And I guess, looking at this, it's got full trim and everything, and this thing would have to be at least like 2.5 tonnes, I'm guessing.
2.5 tonnes, yeah. So full trim, I think we've left everything in there.
So I mean, so I'm guessing with these things here, there's probably some sort of bottle in the back or something like that. Where have you got that stashed?
Yeah, okay, so the best place for the bottle is in the back.
Oh, there you go, 2 bottles.
2 bottles, yeah. He's going to need the 2 bottles.
Very nice, and they're like a carbon fibre style bottle as well.
They are,
yeah.
They're a lightweight carbon fibre one, so we are trying to steal some kilograms or grams wherever we can. Yeah. And they look great, they look fantastic.
Well, this is an American car with an American engine, so there'd be ounces, wouldn't it?
Well, I don't understand ounces, mate.
Yeah,